Hey guys, this is Valentina. If you're new here, let me introduce myself. I'm a Spanish tutor for OCTB, Overcome the Barrier, a language learning company that offers you the incredible experience of learning Spanish with native Spanish speakers from all over Latin America. Before we get started with today's lesson, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We post new content every week about Spanish vocabulary, grammar, pronunciation, slang, culture, and so much more. You don't want to miss it, I promise. In today's lesson, we'll break down Spanish question words. I'm very excited, so don't go anywhere, and let's get right on it. Just like in English, Spanish has its fair share of question words. Before we start talking about them, let's point out these two very important things, not only about question words, but about questions in general. Number one, Spanish questions use two interrogation marks at the beginning and at the end of the sentence, no exception. Number two, Spanish question words that translate to English question words WH always have tilde or spelled accent mark. That's how we determine if this word is being used as a question word or as an answer. Having said that, let's get right to it. Number one, ¿qué? What? Some examples are ¿qué pasa? ¿Qué estás haciendo? ¿Qué tienes? Among others. Number two, ¿cómo? How? ¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo te sientes? ¿Cómo estuvo tu día? Number three, ¿por qué? Spelled as two words with a spelled accent mark in the E means why. Number four, ¿cuándo? When. Number five, ¿quién? Means who. ¿Quiénes? is the plural version. Number six, ¿dónde? Where. Number seven, ¿cuánto? and ¿cuánta? How much? Masculine and feminine version, depending on the gender of the noun you use in that sentence. 8. ¿Cuántos? and ¿cuántas? Not to be confused with the previous question words, these two mean how many. Again, masculine and feminine, depending on the gender of the nouns that you use in the sentence. Number 9. ¿Cuál? and ¿cuáles? Which in a singular and a plural form. Now, apart from these question words, there are certain verbs that become He wants to be a part of this too. There are certain verbs that can become question words. For example, the verb tener becomes tienes. Do you have? Now, the conjugation of the verb will change depending on who you are asking. For me or I, which would be kind of asking oneself, is tengo. For you, tienes. For él, ella, and usted, tiene. For nosotros, tenemos. For ellos, ellas, and ustedes, tienen. And for vosotros, tenéis. The verb querer, to want, follows the same rule. Quiero, quieres, quiere, queremos, quieren, and queréis. Metí todas las conjugaciones de una, soy una capa. Another very common verb that becomes a question word is the verb poder, to be able to or to can. Puedo, puedes, puede, podemos, pueden, and podéis. Pronunciation-wise, you've probably noticed that the best way to make a question sound exactly like that in Spanish is to raise intonation at the end. ¿Quieres? ¿Quieres? ¿Puedes? ¿Puedes? Okay guys, and that's it for the video. As always, thank you so much for watching. I wish you the best of luck in your Spanish journey, and I hope I'll see you in personalized lessons in Overcome the Barrier. On that note, make sure to check out OCTB's website and submit to your first free demo lesson and start learning Spanish with native Spanish speakers from all over Latin America like me. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. And again, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss any of our content. And I'll see you there. Nos vemos. Mwah.